Okay, so this awareness ribbon is so easy to make. You're going to take one piece of ribbon and you're going to go under and over. Under and over. And place it into the middle of the bodabra, leaving the tails out on one end and the loop on the other. And then you're going to take a strand of pearls and crisscross it over. Right there, that's going to make the figure 8 into the bodabra machine. And then take your slip knot, pull the other end through it. While it's still in the bodabra, pull it tight. Take it out, split each end, flip it over. Tie a knot. And tie one more knot. At that point, you can cut off the excess. And it's that easy. You can attach it to a basket, a lapel, and you can make it any size you want. It's really that simple. So if this color is not your color of choice, you can use your color of choice with the same principle. Under and over, and you're going to want the ends to be on an angle that way, not this way. So then you just cut it that way. Then you add your strand of pearls to it. And the same way, it's going to be cinched in the middle. The loop will represent the vulva. The tails will represent the legs. And the pearls will represent the figure 8 that is seen by lichen sclerosus.